Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says everyday life conversation. Class, repeat after me. Everyday life conversation. We are going to look into some of the sentences we use every day. That is why we call it everyday life conversation. So let's start. Igbo English. Number 1 says, Kedu ka ụbọchị gị si aga? Meaning, how is your day going? Kedu ka ụbọchị gị si aga? How is your day going? Maybe you run into your friend or someone called you. Hello, how are you? Kedu ka ị mere? Nne, kedu ka ụbọchị gị si aga taa? It means, how is your day going? Kedu ka ụbọchị gị si aga taa? Meaning, how is your day going? When you hear kedu in Igbo, kedu means question. Kedu means question. Then you will listen very carefully. You will listen very carefully to know the other words that will follow up in order to know what you're going to answer. So when you hear kedu, kedu means question. Kedu meaning how. Kedu, how. Or say that, class. Kedu meaning how. Kedu means how in English. Ka ụbọchị gị. Ka ụbọchị gị means is your day. Ka ụbọchị gị is your day. Number 4 says si aga meaning going. Si aga meaning going. Number 3 here. Ka means is. Ụbọchị means day. Gị means you. Number 4. Si aga meaning going. Si aga means going in English. Si aga going. Si aga going. Si aga means going. Now when you put all these phrases together, it will form a full sentence. Number 5, for example, Kedu ka ụbọchị gị si aga? Meaning, how is your day going? Again, class. Kedu ka ụbọchị gị si aga? Meaning, how is your day going? The last one says, number 6. That means, my day is going well. Write it in Igbo language. Always share. Always like, comment, and share my videos. Follow for more. Bye.